Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about loan against property just to give you a knowledge about what a loan against property means. So suppose you already have a property. It can be a residential property, it can be a commercial property, it can be a plot, it can be a factory property, any property that you have, and there is no loan on that, and you want to capitalize on that because you cannot always sell the property, right? So you mortgage that property to a bank and take a loan against property. So basically what bank would do, they will evaluate the current market value of the property. Suppose you have a residential house which the current market value is about 2 crore, then depending on the occupancy of that house, the bank will give you a loan against that. For example, if it's a self-occupied residential property, the bank would give you about 70 to 75% of the market value of the property as the loan amount. Suppose it's a empty plot, then bank would probably give you about 50% of the plot value as your loan amount. The interest rate for such kind of loans is typically 1% higher than the regular home loans. The remaining clauses remain same, like there's no part payment charges, there's no pre-closure charges on that. These are all a floating rate of interest home loans, so it works like an home loan, but they are come at a little higher rate of interest, and the charges are a little higher. So the processing fee typically for a loan against property ranges somewhere between 0.5% of the loan amount to 1% of the loan amount, and the MOD charges are standard, that's across. So usually the people take such kind of loans when they require it for probably their kids education, or they require for weddings, their daughter or son's wedding. If they want to build a house in their hometown, they want to buy a site or an agricultural land in their hometown or anywhere else. If they already have a plot and they want to do a construction which is not as per the sanction plan, so usually in that case also people go for loan against property. So if you want to renovate your house, you want to do fresh interiors in your house, so people take loan against property for that. So it's different from home loan, but the terms and conditions are typically same. The rate of interest is a little higher, and the loan that you get is depending on the current market valuation of the property. So whichever property you're giving, the bank will do the current market valuation, and as per that they will give you the loan amount. That's about how loan against property works. Again, so if you have any queries, I'm there on LinkedIn as Piyush Agarwal. I am there on YouTube and Instagram as Piyush the Mortgage Guy. Please feel free to reach out to me for any queries you might have at any point of time. Thank you so much.